Welcome to Witte Brothers Exchange, your trusted partner in nationwide frozen LTL. Our terminal in Troy, Missouri is the heart of our operations and the place we proudly call home. At Witte Brothers, we take pride in providing cold storage and transportation solutions, all handled in-house to ensure quality, efficiency, and reliability. From the moment product arrives at our facility to the second it reaches its destination, we manage every step of the journey. Our state-of-the-art cold storage facilities ensure products stay frozen, protected, and ready for delivery, no matter the distance. From temperature-controlled shipping to advanced cold storage, our skilled warehouse team ensures every product is handled securely and efficiently. We handle, store, and protect temperature-sensitive freight, ensuring it remains frozen and secure until it reaches its final destination. Our cross-dock operation allows us to efficiently consolidate less than truckload freight, reducing transit times and optimizing deliveries for our clients. Reliability starts with preparation. Less downtime means greater efficiency and more on-time deliveries. Our professional maintenance team ensures everything runs smoothly, dedicating their expertise to maintaining our fleet to the highest standards. We're dedicated to safety and have one of the top preventive maintenance programs in the industry. Delivering freight safely and on time takes a dedicated team of professional drivers. Highly trained and equipped with the latest technology, they ensure every load arrives in perfect condition. Our fleet features state-of-the-art refrigerated trailers equipped with advanced temperature control systems, ensuring product integrity from pickup to delivery. With cutting-edge carrier reefer units, we maintain precise temperature control, offering real-time monitoring and proactive adjustments to keep products at their required temperature, mile after mile. Our driver support and operation teams are pivotal in ensuring timely and reliable deliveries while providing unmatched support for our drivers, keeping them safe, informed, and efficient on the road. They work 24/7 to coordinate routes, monitor shipments, and provide seamless communication with drivers and clients. Witte Brothers Exchange is a family-owned company with a long-standing commitment to excellence in temperature-controlled logistics. With decades of experience, cutting-edge technology, and a dedicated team, we take pride in delivering the best service to our customers while supporting the professionals who make it all happen. At Witte Brothers Exchange, what sets us apart isn't just what we do, but how we do it. Our core values are the guiding force behind every decision and action. We do the right thing, always ensuring integrity and trust in our services. We own it, taking full responsibility for our actions and their impact. We drive improvement, constantly innovating and evolving to meet the changing needs of our industry. And most importantly, we win together, fostering a culture of teamwork and mutual success. And together, we are Witte Brothers.